Alright? Yeah, I'm good. Coming up.
Cow with that light rod.
Working it though.
I see.
Working it.
Oh, nice snapper, Dino.
Second guessing myself.
Nah.
Don't get tired now. Keep the arms moving. I hope this is something edible. Yeah, I know. I really do.
Whatever you got, you hooked it just right.
Be a damn sea turtle. Well, I hooked one of those, folks.
Yeah, it's like pulling dead weight.
Yep. Damn, it was digging when I first hooked it up.
Tony, you having drag issues over there, I see, huh?
Yeah. And I had nice, what do you see?
From the white.
Should I tell her?
A jack? Probably got a jack.
Well.
Kind of red.
Uh-oh.
Oh my god, look at that AR, boy. Look at that AR, son.
Oh, it snapped.
Wait a minute. Somebody grab that. Here, hold this camera. Hold the camera. Hold the camera. Can you hold your rod at the same time?
Yeah, I'm good.
How the hell you foul hook the AR?
I don't know.
God, son.
Yeah.
That's why we was having problems getting it up, bro.
Woo.
Yeah,
What's
son.
up, Kyle? That little light rod.
Hooked him in the arm, son.
On time.
Sure.